a lot of times the old way we were taught this lead capture funnel, and that was about getting anyone and everyone into this funnel. And hopefully, and I still can't believe that this is actually standard, that a 2 to 3% conversion is a good thing. And I'm like, wow, that's unbelievable, but I guess that's what we were taught. And the problem is that your dream customers are not sitting there. They don't want to be in another funnel. They've been through everyone else's funnel and they don't want another funnel. They are not at the top of funnel. If you ever heard that one, TOF, top of funnel, get everybody at the top of funnel, filter them through, and then the bottom of funnel, the BOF, is where you make the money. Well, that's true. I'm not going to argue the fact that it doesn't work, but I don't want to be stuck in there, and I don't want to be working for a 2 to 3% conversion and trying to get 100 million leads. The difference is that your dream customers, I promise you, are sitting right at the bottom of the funnel already. They're sitting there waiting for you. They're waiting for you to come up with the right promise and the correct connection. That's what the connection is all about. The say yes to everybody strategy is the quickest way to the bottom.